Firstly, you grease up the place where the bearing is going to sit in the non-drive side, and then you grease up the bearing, and then you press it in, ideally using a press fit. You can also hammer it in if you don't have a press fit, and then just check that it's running smoothly. Then you grease up the drive side of the axle, which is the end with the short threads, and then you put on the bearing and the nut that will hold the bearing in place. Just tighten it down hand tight, and then put on the lock nut and also the dust cap, and put on your cone spanners and tighten it down so it's fixed. Then you want to grease up, just check for play. Then you want to grease up the non-drive side of the axle, and then you put in the axle and also the end cap on the non-drive side, so you can push in the bearing on the drive side here using the cone spanner, just turning it until you can feel that it stops, and there it sits in place. Then you put on the washer and the lock nut, and then you tighten it down. Check for smoothness. It was a bit rough, so I backed off the end cap a little bit, tighten it down again, and this time it was running perfectly. And then you just check for play. That was it. I hope you can use this video.